Hi everybody, it's CreativeSarah here, and wait till you see what I do with this. This is our Chop Simmer Stir Transfer. It's one of our D size 18 by 18, and there are so many really cute things you can do with it. First, fuzz your transfer. Then, I found this really cool cutting board. I'm just going to set it in place where I want it, and I am going to grab my bright white chalk paste, and I'm only chalking the images I want on my cutting board. It's that simple. If you are new, you can comment VIP or the word sample if you would like to grab a sample of our products. You could check it out for yourself. I'm going to finish chalking this. I'm going to make sure it's dry, and then I'm going to pop it right into place in my kitchen. Super simple, that easy. Add a little greenery and check it out. Guys, CreativeSarah.com for more information. Thanks for watching.